Have you ever had mini tomato pies? Today we're going to make some. I've got my tomatoes already cut up and I'm salting them to draw out the liquid in them. I've got them in a colander so that they can drain on the plate. Set them to the side. Then I get my cookie sheet and I go ahead and spray it real good. Get my puff pastry, just using one sheet of it. Cut it into 9 equal parts. And then I'm going to use my hand and kind of smush them out. Put them in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to mix up my topping. I'm going to use about, winds up being about 2 cups of mozzarella. Guys, you can use however much you want for your topping. Then I'm going to use a really heaping cup of mayonnaise. You'll see here. Now, here I am still using Kraft mayo. I am trying out Duke's right now, but guys, use the mayo that you like. I still hadn't settled on one after 66 years. I still hadn't settled, but that's okay. Now, you see, it's really heaping, though. And then I put it in a bigger bowl. Then I'm going to crack my egg so that I don't have a shell, and then I'll add my egg. And then we'll have to mix that mixture up really, really good because you want the egg and the mayonnaise distributed throughout the mozzarella cheese real good so that when it melts over the top, it's just all ooey and gooey and good. Flavor everywhere. Now you can add some spices into this if you choose to. I don't. You can, though. And then I'm going to get my onion cut up. And I did saute the onion, guys. I didn't show it, but it is sauteed at the final product. Then I'm chiffonading my basil, cutting it up real little. And there's my puff pastry out of the oven. I'm using my fingers and kind of pushing down the puff part to make like pockets, sort of. Then I'm going to lay out one just to show you. I put my tomatoes on first. And I don't salt them or anything because, you know, we already salted them to draw out the liquid. Then I'm going to put my basil on, then my onions, the sauteed onions, and then the topping. And then you'll see where I do the rest the same exact way. And guys, I just can't even explain to you how good these are. And they're mini. If you want to, you know, make them to where each person has their own individual little tomato pie without having to cut them when you make them in the pie shape. Oh, they're so good. So good. And I do put them in an oven at 350 for another 10 minutes or until your cheese is melted to the place you want it and maybe browned a little bit. Do that exactly like you want it, where your cheese topping looks like what you want. And there they are out of the oven. I'll cut one up and show you what the inside of it looks like. So good. I can't express to you enough how good these are. If you love basil. Now, if you don't love basil, they're good, but maybe you don't like them as much as me. Okay, and then Sonny's going to try it.
It's so good.
It was hot. She said it was very hot.
Mm-hmm.
She gave it a thumbs up. Good, guys. Y'all try it.